Turkestan. You want to know something crazy? Most of us didn't even know there was a Turkestan. So, adding the direction was wild. What the fuck is East Turkestan? Is that where the Uyghurs are from? So wait a minute, you're a Uyghur? Whoa. China, get her! No, or like West Chinastan. So is it true what's going on with them Uyghurs? I don't even really know what's going on. I just know I'm supposed to tell China, bad China. But you don't look Chinese at all. Because you're not Chinese. You're from East Turkestan. Okay, so it's easy to find you guys. You can't hide. Yeah, you're fucked. Wait, do you speak Mandarin or Cantonese? You speak Mandarin. I wish you guys could see what she looks like. She just looks Turkish. Imagine you walk up on her speaking to some Chinese people and she's just going, da, 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 and you're just like, this is the most racist girl I've ever seen in my entire life.